All right, guys. Hey, so guess what? So now we have a garage. So this is at our apartment complex. Luckily, I got the one that the maintenance guys were using. So this is a little bit bigger than just a standard storage unit or garage, but this works perfect. We got lights, we got power. It's concrete floors. It's insulated, so this is just perfect because the truck, it's just been aggravating having to be out in the mulch with the engine hoist and the floor jacks. And I mean, yes, I can do it, done it before, but it's just gonna be so nice being in here. So I'm gonna finish putting the engine in the truck, which hopefully should be, hopefully tomorrow. It's one thing's been breaking after another, and I'm having to order it and wait on it, or the weather's been bad. So if the engine goes in, as soon as it goes in, I'm gonna bring the truck up here, and then I'm gonna finish putting like the lift kit and just everything else that's going on with the truck. I'm gonna finish it here, and yeah, so that's just gonna be nice. So and I appreciate everyone subscribing and the people that's been watching along. I really appreciate it a lot, because I honestly feel like I just talk to myself a lot. So it's just kind of weird, and it's tough. But now that I know more people's watching and more people subscribing, it's kind of motivating me to keep going. So, but I do have the Nissan stored in here. I don't know if anybody's seen my Nissan, which it is LS swapped, but so I don't know. Some people have seen it and some people have not, but this is my little side project that I just drive on the weekends. But she scoots. But yesterday me and Sarah took it out to Bald Rock and drove through the little mountain and the curves, and it was kind of fun. I'm going to attach the video that we went and up there. I'm going to attach it in. So it was cool. But I should have a video up after Thanksgiving. I have some stuff that I've been working on and then moving and transitioning. So I've been really busy, and I've been trying to get another video out. So, but again, I appreciate all the support and everybody that's, following along. But yeah, just drop any comments or anything below, and just say hey, or where are you from. Just I'm kind of curious to see who watches and from where, and if there's any pointers or anything that tell me if there's any way I can improve my videos. I'm all ears. So but again, just stay tuned, subscribe, turn your post notifications on. roads are a lot rougher, honestly.
They are terrible. I guess the big trees are still falling on
I need to take it a little easy on her. She is running on the high side. I'd love to stop here and get a picture. I gotta turn the car back around.
Turn around up here.
Where's the park at?
That wasn't where I think.
What? The park is on the left.
That's what I thought too. Look.
This should be parked. We ain't even passed the little station yet. Golly.
Jesus. Yeah, that's on purpose.
Oh, yeah, she's coming back down now. She's getting up there. See, the park should be right here. Yeah, see, here's the park.
It said that that one was closed on purpose.
It should. Exit only.
Yeah, the entrance is right here.
That's freaking close. Are you serious?
It says they close at 6.
What time is it?
5:30?
Thanks for watching, and just stay tuned for the next video.